Right, I've been told I have to do a bit to camera, so welcome to Birmingham, my second least favourite place in the entire country, just behind London. But it's okay, because it's a sunny day and we're here for some drifting with the Blue Boys. And Milton, who's late, because Milton's always late. Oh wait, Milton's here. Good timing.
Oh, they're not fun. Imagine if you had a streetcar, you could just drive in there.
Well, that was awful. Milton's here. Come in, let's help you unload. Right, see you in a bit. Sat down watching them for now. There's a lovely little bench by the track. It's great.